welcome back, friends. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make vanilla cinnamon shake. Yes, you probably haven't heard, or you probably never tried it, or you probably never make it. I don't know, maybe you have heard. That's okay. Well, I've been making this for quite some time because if you don't know yet, I love shake and I make different type of shake. I will literally sit there and think about what I can make with shake. So it's not the usual strawberry, vanilla, or chocolate shake. I always try to come up with something else to make different type of shake. So today we are going to be making some vanilla cinnamon shake. So yes, stay tuned. This is good. I hope you guys are all doing good. Thank you for tuning in. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you subscribe, like, and follow for more content. Appreciate you guys so much. So yes, I'm so excited to make this because actually I am craving this recipe and I wanted to make some shake because I'm about to head out. So instead of stopping by to buy a shake from Burger King or anything like that, I figure why not make mine, and then I'll just kind of take it with me. So yes, that's what I'm about to do. I'm so excited. So yes, let's do this. Okay, let's get started. So right now I have the blender ready to go. And then first thing first, I am going to add the ice cream in here. So let's add the ice cream in here. How are you guys doing? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope you're safe out there. Enjoying the warm weather wherever you are, cool weather wherever you are. Over here it's kind of warm today, so it's a good day. And then I got the ice cream in here. I'm gonna add me some syrup, vanilla syrup. That's all you need. Gonna add the vanilla syrup because it's a vanilla cinnamon recipe. All right. I like to have enough syrup in mine just because I want to make sure I can taste the vanilla in there. Now I have my cinnamon that I'm gonna add into this. You just add a little bit of cinnamon in here and you're gonna blend that well together. It's very simple, especially like me right now. I'm craving this very much because I'm craving cinnamon. Earlier I ate a sandwich that has cinnamon in there, and then I wanted some shake, so I was like, what about I make some cinnamon shake? So yes, that's why I'm making this. So you add both of those things together. Now I'm gonna blend it together very well, and then I'm gonna show you guys. All right, let me do this. All right, and one more time. I'm gonna blend that again because it looks like, there we go. I don't know if you can see it, but oh my goodness, it looks so good. Let me see if I can kind of bring this up close so you can look at it. Ooh, it smells so good. Look at that. And you got your cinnamon mixed with it. Awesome. I'm gonna blend it one more time just because I want everything to really mix well together. Perfect. All right, that looks so good right now. So I'm gonna get me my cup. I got my shake glass that I drink my shake in. So let me grab that real quick. All right, and we are going to pour this in here. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks after I top it off and everything. So good. I mean, honestly speaking, I'm not saying it's good because I make it, but no, for real, it's really good. You should try it. Let me know if you try it and tell me if it would be something you would make again, but it's really good. So I'm gonna pour this in here. I need my whipped cream. Can't forget this. Yep. All right, so we're gonna pour this in here. There you go. Ooh, look at how it looks, you guys. Wow. Oh, I can't wait to drink this. See that? So let me show you this up close because I feel like you guys weren't seeing it too clearly. But look at the cinnamon in there. You see how that looks? Oh my goodness. That is how you want it. And I promise you, this is so good. You are gonna love it. Looks good. All right. So now I'm gonna top this off with some whip. Let's do that. Ooh, yes, honey. Look at that. All right, let me get this out of my way. I'm gonna let you see this up close, just like that. Okay. So. Thank you for following, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Actually, I really do appreciate it, those of you guys that. So I'm gonna put some, look at me, I'm lost for words. I'm gonna put some cinnamon on top of this, and I'm just using the sifter, like, to do this. I think this is how yeah, that's what it's called. I don't know. If I make mistakes, correct me in the comment section. You guys are good at that anyways. So look at this. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna move this over a little bit. See that? Perfect. It tastes so good. Oh my God. That is so good. But seriously, it's very easy to make. Okay, so my shake is all good. If you can see this, look at that. Look how good that is. I mean, it's a very easy recipe to make. You can make this yourself instead of going to the store to buy shake. And check out my other shake recipes on my page. Let me know if you try it. This is all for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Let me sip more. Oh, this is so good. Yes. Yes. And it smells so good, the cinnamon. If you like cinnamon, you can do it that way. If you don't put it on there. That's fine. But let me know if you try it. It was a very quick, easy recipe that I just wanted to come on here and show you guys real quick because I'm about to head out. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I hope you stop by again for our next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, follow the page, like, comment, and we're just gonna be showing some new recipe every other week. Well, no, every week. Sorry. So thank you so much for watching and be safe out there. I hope to see you guys again. Peace out. God bless. So good. Bye, y'all. Take care. See ya.